The diagnosis and initial treatment for cancer came in various stages. Initially, it came as a surprise because I was asymptomatic from a standpoint of not having the certain symptoms show up physically, such as being, sweating night sweats or having problems with diseases or bruising, etc. So it really came as a result of blood tests being taken on a normal physical. It showed up an elevation of my white blood cells. Okay, I think the initial trial was probably initiated in more of an agreement. Dr. Sajid and I talked a little bit. I had a background that was also involved in research. In my previous companies, I worked with Shell and Novartis, in which research trials were undertaken. So I understood some of the complexities and some of the discipline that was required in a trial. And I think that helped make her decision to recommend me as a patient underneath the trial. And the trial to date is, we have been on the medication for approximately 2 months, a little over 2 months at this time. Improvements in the condition as a result of the trial it's a difficult thing to find out because I remain asymptomatic, which means I don't have any physical changes in my body that are reflecting the use of the drug. However, because of how the trial and protocols are set up, a lot of the basic progress or lack of progress in the use of the medicine is determined by blood panels. And according to Dr. Sajid, who is really the one who interprets these and can explain to me whether or not we're improving or not improving, it looks like on my very last set of blood work, that it's possible that it's proving that the drug apparently is working, and that we're reaching a point that we may see some significant changes in how I'm working with the chemistry against the cancer. Quality of life and how it's affected my daily activities is unique. One thing, again, quality of life from a medical standpoint is a difficult thing to measure because I'm asymptomatic. But yet I can observe a better feeling about what's going on from a psychological standpoint, because Dr. Sajid has been able to interpret the blood work so well and explain to me what's going on and how. So I'm not nervous. I don't feel like it's not working because I don't change. She's helped remove that cloud of doubt that without her protocols and how she's running the panels, I wouldn't have. The benefits that I see right now is there's no question. One, I have an opportunity to have first-class medicine being applied to me on this trial versus standard care. So I've elevated the type of I guess, treatments that I would be allowed to under a normal care treatment. I think that at this particular time is the best I can say about that. The other thing would probably be the team that Dr. Sajid has built with Lumi and Genesis and herself has given me a tremendous amount of comfort, and has given me amount of that I have a lot of trust now. And that's probably the biggest benefit that I've seen so far, is that ability to be able to say, I'm in good hands. I've never doubted the way this team has worked with me, that I didn't have a team working for me and my best interest.